welcome back to another video. Today I'm rocking Akimbo pistols, my Raven 1911 and my KJW Glock 23. We're playing at Mayhem Airsoft at their fight club, which only play their CQB maps, the Killhouse and Shipment. I've cut the video down just to highlight mainly kills and action, but it's still fairly long. Let me know you enjoyed the video by leaving a like down below. I do appreciate the support and it shows me you like this style of gameplay.
Yeah, good shot, buddy. Oh, good trade, good trade. Good job. Hit! 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 Oh, friendly! I'm pinned, direct corridor. He's on the other side of the building. Like the other side, basically, yeah. Shooting diagonal. Got one.
Behind your wall. Yeah.
Left, left, left. Really, bro? Did you not call that? Yeah, guy diagonal to me, I'm pinned. Next room, next room. Next room. Yeah, at the end. Watch yourself there. Hit! In line with me at the back.
Is there someone there?
No, right at the back. Got one. On my, in line with me here. Yeah, like on the other side of the corridor. On your right, on your right! Got him. Nice try. Yeah, you're good.
Dead man walking.
Yeah, it's coming back,
Dead man walking.
No one came right. I didn't see anyone push right. Mate, I don't think they even pushed right. I didn't see a single person run out. Killed 3. I just got 3 of them. Yeah, they didn't fucking spawn.
Come here, Don. Everyone get up.
Yeah, push, push.
Go, get up. Everyone.
Hit! He's here on the left, on the outside of it. Got him. Oh, good try, buddy, good job.
Drop the mag over there, mate.
Oh, sorry, mate, it's a flag.
Yeah, it's right, your hands just touched me, I'll do it.
Oh, sorry, mate, sorry, mate. Oh, good try, buddy, good job. Watch yourself on the right, there's one on the barrier. Got one. Behind the, like literally this.
Yeah, good trade off.
Oh, good job. No trade, but all right. Pretty dead.
Collecting a name, mate. Dead, dead, dead. Dead, dead, dead. Yeah, come through, dead, dead, dead. Headshot.
Okay. You didn't call that? That was a bit weird. That was a hit. How close?